So the curved display is a feature that you get on a upper mid-range or on a flagship phone. Curved display makes the phone look like a flagship phone, and we don't often get to see this feature on a phone that costs below Rs 25,000. But this is changing very soon with the Realme 10 Pro Plus, as Realme has confirmed that the Realme 10 series will get this feature. I reckon that only the Pro models will come with curved display. The bottom chain on the Realme 10 Pro is said to be extremely thin. It's even thinner than that of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is very surprising. The vanilla Realme 10 will have a 6.7-inch flat display with Full HD Plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. It will measure 8.1mm in thickness and weighs 190 grams. The rest of the specs include a 50MP primary camera paired with a 2MP lens. The Realme 10 will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, which has a score of 400,000 on AnTuTu. It is also confirmed to have a 4870 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. The Realme 10 will be offered in 6, 8 and 12GB RAM, and storage would be 64, 128 and 256GB. The most premium Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G will get a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, and it might come with a 120Hz refresh rate. Powering this handset will be MediaTek's new Dimensity 1080 SoC, which was announced recently. The device will pack a 108MP camera paired with an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and then again we have a rubbish 2MP lens. A 4890 mAh battery will be present under the hood and will support 67W fast charging. It is said to come with up to 12GB RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. The company has confirmed that the Realme 10 series will go official on November 9. In my opinion, the Realme 10 series is gonna be very interesting offering from Realme. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.